Hello children, today I am going to start the new chapter of computer. The chapter name is Let's Learn More on Keyboard. In this chapter we are going to learn about keyboard, how many keys are there on the keyboard and what are the function of different keys on the keyboard. Keyboard. You already know that keyboard is an input device. It used to feed data and instructions into the computer. We need a keyboard to write anything on the monitor. A keyboard has many small buttons on it called keys. These keys are pressed to type anything in the computer. So children, you already know what is keyboard. A keyboard is an input device and it is used to feed data and instruction into the computer. Why do we need a keyboard? We need a keyboard to write anything on the monitor. The keyboard has many small buttons on it called keys. As you can see in this picture, this is a picture of a keyboard and it has many small buttons called as keys. Now what is the use of keys? These keys are pressed to type anything in the computer. Now we are going to learn about different keys which are present on the keyboard and what are the functions of these keys. Keys of the keyboard. There are normally 105 to 108 keys on a keyboard. All these keys are divided into different groups. The chart given below shows the categorization of different keys. So children, a keyboard has normally 105 to 108 keys on it, and all the keys of a keyboard are divided into different groups. Here one chart is given, as you can see here. In this chart, different keys categorization is given. As you can see, like alphabet keys, arrow key, symbols key, number keys, function keys, and some special keys like backspace key, spacebar key, control key, delete key, caps lock key, shift key, enter key. These keys are present on a keyboard. Now one by one we are going to see that what is the function of these keys. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on which A, Z are marked. These keys are called alphabet keys. You can type words, sentences, paragraph, etc. by using these keys. So what is alphabet keys? The keys from A to Z are alphabet keys. And children, can you tell me how many alphabet keys are there? There are 26 alphabet keys. And what is the use of alphabet keys? Alphabet keys are used for typing words, sentences, paragraphs, etc. on the computer. For example, if you want to write your name or you want to write an essay, with the help of alphabet keys you can write it. And children, one thing more, that on keyboard alphabet keys are not in alphabetical order, means they are not like A, B, C, D. They are mixed up. As you can see here in the picture that they are not in alphabetical order, they are mixed up. Arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys that are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. These are also used to play games. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. So children, there are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. As you can see in the picture, there are 4 arrow keys: up, down, left and right. And what is the use of arrow keys? Arrow keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. Now what is cursor, children? A cursor is a small blinking line which you can see on the monitor screen. Arrow key are also called as cursor control keys, and they are also used for playing games. Symbol keys. The row of keys with different symbols like @ greater than, less than, plus, has, etc. present on it are the symbol keys. The symbol key are mostly present on the number or the alphabet keys. To type the symbols like @ percentage, you need to press shift key along with the symbol key. So what is symbol key, children? The symbols like @ greater than, less than, plus, has, which is present on the keyboard are called symbol keys. And where the symbol keys are present, they are mostly present on the number or the alphabet keys. As you can see here in this picture, that the symbol keys are present on the number key, like @ is present on the number 2, hash is present on the number 3, dollar is present on the number 4. So the symbol keys are present on the number or the alphabet keys. And how to type the symbols? For typing these, first you have to press the shift key along with the symbol key. Suppose you want to type the symbol @. So first you have to press the shift key along with the @ symbol key. Then it will be shown on the screen. Number keys. The keys marked with 0 to 9 numbers are called number keys. They are 10 in numbers. There are two sets of number keys present on a keyboard. One set is present above the alphabet keys and the other set is present on the right corner of a keyboard. You can type number related things like phone number with the help of these keys. So what are number keys, children? The keys from 0 to 9 numbers are called number keys, and they are 10 in numbers. You can see here there are 10 number keys from 0 to 9. On the keyboard there are two sets of number keys. One set is present above the alphabet keys and the other set is present on the right corner of a keyboard. You can see here, this is the picture of a keyboard, and you can see here that one set of number key is present above the alphabet keys and the other set is present on the right corner of a keyboard. So 1, 2 number keys are there on a keyboard. And what is the use of a number key? With the help of number keys, you can do your maths calculation, you can type the numbers, you can type phone numbers with the help of the number keys. Function keys. The topmost row of keys on the keyboard with F1 to F12 marked on it are the function keys. They are used to perform specific tasks. Their use depends on program to program. They are 12 in number. Now, what is function keys, children? The keys from F1 to F12 are called function keys. And here the F stand for function. Where it is present? The topmost row of keys on a keyboard, function keys are present. And what is the use of function key? Function key are used to perform specific tasks. Their use depends on program to program. And what is the total number of function keys? Function keys are 12 in number. You can see here function keys are from F1 to F12. They are 12 in number. Special keys. These keys perform special functions individually. The special keys are, now we are going to see about special keys. We are going to see their function individually. So special keys like enter key, space bar key, caps lock key, shift key, control key, these are the some special keys. First one is enter key. Enter key is used to take the cursor to the next line. There are two enter keys present on the keyboard. Enter key is also called return key. So children, how many enter key are present on a keyboard? The answer is 2. There are 2 enter keys present on a keyboard. You can see here in this picture that 2 enter keys are there on the keyboard. First one is here and the second one is there. So 2 enter keys are there. And what is the another name of enter key? Enter key is also known as return key. What is the use of enter key? Enter key is used to take the cursor to the next line. For example, you are writing something and you want another sentence to write from the next line. So when you will press the enter key, it will be starting from the next line. Space bar. The longest key on a keyboard is the space bar. It is used to give blank space between 2 characters. So which is the longest key on a keyboard, children? The answer is space bar key. Space bar key is the longest key on a keyboard. And what is the use of space bar key? It is used to give blank space between the 2 characters. Suppose you want to write the name Rohit Singh, and after the word Rohit you want to give some space and then you want to write Singh. So how you will give the space? So when you will put the cursor on the last letter of the word Rohit, so when you will put the cursor on the end of the letter T and then you will press the spacebar key, and after that you will write the word Singh. After that you will see that the space is given between the Rohit and Singh. So spacebar key is used to give a space between the 2 characters. Caps lock key. This key is a toggle key. That means you can turn on or off this key. If the caps lock key is on, you can write the alphabet in capital letter. If the caps lock key is off, you can write the alphabets in small letter. So children, the caps lock key is a toggle key. You can turn it on or off. When you will turn on the caps lock key, it will write the alphabets in capital letter like this. And when you will turn the caps lock key off, it will write the alphabets in small letter like this. So caps lock key is used for writing the alphabets in uppercase and lowercase. Delete key. Delete key is used to delete the text or graphic. Now what is the use of delete key? Delete key is used to delete the text or pictures you want. CTRL key. CTRL key is also known as a control key. You can press this key with a letter or digit key to command the computer. For example, holding down CTRL key and pressing O opens a document. Children, here CTRL stands for control. So CTRL key is also known as control key. So using the control key, you can open a document, you can save the document, you can copy a document. For example, here the given that if you want to open a document, then you have to press the control key with a letter O, and after doing it will be open a document. For example, if you want to save a document, then you have to hold the control key and the letter S, so it will save a document. Delete key. Delete key is used to delete the text or graphic. So what is the use of delete key? Delete key is used to delete the text or picture you want. CTRL key. CTRL key is also known as the control key. You can press this key with a letter or digit key to command the computer. For example, holding down CTRL key and pressing O opens a document. So CTRL key is also known as control key. Here CTRL stands for control. And you can press the control key with a letter or digit to give a command to the computer. For example, you want to open a document. So for this, you have to hold down the control key and then you have to press the letter O. After doing this, the document will be open. Another example, if you want to save a document. So for this, you have to hold down the control key and you have to press the letter S. After doing this, the document will be saved. Shift key. Shift key is mostly used with the combination of other keys. This key helps to type capital letters and symbols. There are 2 shift keys present on a keyboard. So how many shift keys are there on a keyboard? The answer is 2. There are 2 shift keys present on the keyboard, and mostly the shift keys are used with the combination of other keys. Shift key helps to type the capital letters and symbols. Backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase the character left to the cursor. It is a small key with back arrow marked on it. What is backspace key, children? Backspace key is a small key with a back arrow marked on it. And what is the use of backspace key? Backspace key is used to erase the character left to the cursor. So children, can you tell me what is the difference between delete key and backspace key? The difference between delete key and backspace key is that delete key is used to erase the letter on the left side of the cursor, and backspace key is used to erase letter on the right side of the cursor. Again I am repeating that delete key erases the letter on the left side of the cursor, and backspace key is used to erase the letter on the right side of the cursor. Then what we have learned from this chapter? From this chapter we learned that keyboard is an input device and it is used to type text on the computer. A keyboard has small buttons which is called as keys. A keyboard has normally 105 to 108 keys, and each keys of a keyboard has different functions. I hope you have understood this chapter, children. Thank you, children.